When I transitioned over to social media, completely different. I felt like I wasn't doing anything. What it was not because I wasn't doing anything, but I actually spent less hours making the same amount of money. And I didn't know how to cope with that because I'm so used to doing 16 hours, right? So when I transitioned to social media, literally it was just me sitting there, contacting people, still selling, getting them to say yes. But I made more than enough sales with how I priced out my social media. So I have like 6 hours left. I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Right. So I've never educated myself so much because of the getting into the transition of social media. But I think the biggest thing that stood out and why I left the sales and got into it was because I wanted to work less and make more instead of just pounding my ass all day, excuse my French, every single day and just work really hard because I want balance. I want to see my family. I want to be able to go travel. I want to be able to do whatever I want instead of always asking for a day off or requesting a week off or anything like that. And just because I was in sales, I was making good money, but what's the point of money if you can't spend it on anything? I mean, you're only gonna live once. It's better to, die rich, or it's better to live rich than die rich.